for reminding. Okay, so let us start psychometry. See, question number two. Question will be like this. Okay, I feel like dancing when I'm very happy. Strongly agree, agree, neutral, strongly disagree, or disagree. So now what you could do is whatever is your response, okay, you can write it as option A, B, C, D, or E. A stands for strongly agree, B stands for agree, C stands for neutral, no inclination, D stands for strongly agree, and E stands for disagree. So now let me check how many of you go with this. I feel like dancing when I'm happy. Leave me your responses. Okay, this becomes very difficult for me to judge. Okay, all of you are giving answers. So how do I judge? Okay, now let me see. B, A, C, B, A. Okay, people who are saying option E, anybody with option E, we'll go with option E. Okay, okay, nobody. Option D, anybody with option D, D for Delta, nobody. Option C, yes, Drishti, can you unmute yourself? Drishti, even Tushal, Rahul, all of you have told option C. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, hello.
Yes, Tushal. So you say option C, that is neutral.
Yeah,
I feel like dancing when I'm very happy. So you don't feel like dancing?
not exactly dancing. Very rare. That happens once in a while or something.
Okay, if you're very, very, very happy, okay, what do you do?
I keep my surroundings happy. I make everyone else happy.
Okay, I feel like dancing. Fine. So here, people, I would like to tell you, thank you, Tushar. I would like to tell you, please do not mark as strongly disagree. Please do not mark as disagree. Please do not mark as strongly agree also. Now you might have a doubt, okay, sir, why shouldn't we mark as strongly agree? Okay, now when you're very happy, this is, see, I'll tell you one thing, okay. When you're very happy or when you're very sad, uh, we expect you to be calm and composed, which means what? If I'm very happy, I shouldn't burst out. And if I'm very sad, I shouldn't, disintegrate. Okay, there should be a minimum level of calmness or composure in me. So if I'm very happy, yes, I have to be happy. That doesn't mean that, I start dancing very badly or I start dancing without anything. So I feel that there should be some composure. So if you're feeling very happy, so I would agree, sir, I would dance for it. But strongly agree shows that, you're the most inclined towards it. So I would say try to keep it as agree or neutral. Few people are like, sir, I do not know to dance, or I express or share my happiness in another way. Okay, I hug people, I celebrate with them, I party with them, something like that. Okay, so please do not keep extreme like strongly agree. Please do not do that, or strongly disagree. You can go between agree and neutral. Do you agree with me, all of you? Yes or no? You can interact with me, okay? Because if you get too excited at times or if you feel too sad, it shows that you're a very emotional person. And in companies they wouldn't expect they wouldn't appreciate a person being too emotional. Okay, I feel very happy, okay, I got very emotional. They expect you to be a bit practical also. Yes, you have to be emotional, but at the same time try to be a bit practical. Okay, so strongly agree shows that I am having a lot of feelings in me, so don't try to exhibit your feelings. Okay, try to show the company that you are a practical person and you are emotional but not so much. You're more practical. You think more from the head and less from the heart. Is it clear? When listening to someone else's problem, I tend to give advice. When I'm listening to someone else's problem, I tend to give advice to them. Now here, I won't say strongly agree. If you ask me, I won't say strongly agree, because when someone is sharing their problem, no, and if I try to give them advice, they will feel very, very irritated. Am I right? You're trying to share your problem with someone, and that someone, instead of listening to you, okay, he starts giving advice or she starts giving advice. We don't feel that comfortable. Okay, so when someone is sharing their problem with me, would I advise them? I would give them an advice only if they ask for it, or else I'm not going to give an advice. Is it clear? Unless and until they ask me, Himanshu, what do you feel? Do you feel this is right? Or what is your stand on it? That is when I will talk, or else I'll not talk about it. So I would say I would not give them advice. So I would not say strongly disagree also. Strongly disagree means what? You're not at all giving them advice. Okay. So I would go between neutral. Okay. I would say neutral, or I would say disagree. One of the two I would say. Yes, Rahul, unless and until they ask. Tushar, do you agree with me on this? Do you strongly agree, neutral, disagree?
I would
Tushar,
go either with neutral or agree depending on the situation.
correct.
If the person desperately wants any suggestion or something, I would tell them.
But
Else I just
here is
listen.
the question asking his suggestion, or is they are focusing on listening to the problem?
Listening to a problem. So
This
I would not.
question, they are checking your listening skills. Am I right? That is why this question is asked. They are checking how good are you at listening. Okay, so if you say, I strongly disagree, which means you're going to give them advice, which shows that, you're not waiting for them to complete. This is what indirectly this question is about. Okay, so let us go to the next one. Question number 4. When I am a part of a group, I like to take the lead. Sharadi, can you unmute yourself? Even Shreya. Sharadi and Shreya. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharadi, you told C that is neutral.
Yes, sir.
Why?
So if there is a person who is really eligible than me, then I should not go for it.
Hmm.
And if there is no person who can take the lead, then I should go for it. So
Okay,
it depends
Sharadi,
on
tell
the
me one
situation.
thing. This question, what is it testing in us? What are they trying to find out? Which personality or quality are they trying to find? When I am in part of a group, I would like to lead.
So maybe the leadership skills of us and initiative taking
Correct? No.
personality.
So you have already understood. They're checking how good you are as a leader, and they're also checking your initiative. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So if you're telling neutral, no, you neutral means it does not mean that you would see. I'll tell you one thing, okay, all of you. Okay, good, good. Okay, I'll just tell you. See, if you ask me, Himanshu, would you like to lead? Okay, I would love to lead. Okay, I would love to lead, but I would never say I strongly agree to it. Why? Because there might be someone who might be elder to me. Now, Sharadi told that there might be someone better than me. Please do not use that word. When you're in a group, think that you are the best, at least for yourself, that self esteem you should have. Now, if there are a group of people, why do you think that someone is better than you? They might be as good as you. Why are you, see, when you're telling that that person is better than me, which means you're demeaning yourself with respect to yourself. Okay, so when I'm in a group of 10 people, either they will not be, I will be better than them, or I will be as good as them. But I will not be less efficient as them. Do you all agree with me on this thought? All of you? Be honest, okay? You don't have to simply say yes. Okay, this question actually was asked in my Air Force interview. They asked me, who's your role model in class amongst your friends? Okay, I told, sir, role model for me is nobody, because all of us are of the same capability, sir. This is what I told. But to my friend, they asked, he told, sir, my role model is Hemant. Okay, then they asked, why is your role model Hemant? He told, sir, he is the anchor of the entire college. He organizes things so well, sir. That is why he's my role model, sir. Okay, then they asked him, so why aren't you in that position? Why don't you do that? And they asked so many questions in such a way that he got stuck at one point. So always remember, even in your interview or in your psychometry, you are not lesser than anyone. Okay, yes, if you think that there are elderly people, more experienced people, then yes, then you can let go of yourself. Sir, I feel that that person can lead because he has more experience than me, or he is elder to me with respect to this. That again brings experience here. Is it clear? Even if a student is from IIT and I am from a normal college, still I will not let go of my capability in front of others. Please remember this. And now, if the question is, would you like to lead? I would, of course, like to lead. Okay, so I would not directly say strongly agree, because there might be some elderly people in the group. Okay, so that depends on that group. If there is nobody elderly in that and all of us of the same age, then I would love to lead. If there is some elderly person in the group, I would wait for his decision, because he might be a manager or in a senior post than me. So for this answer, I would say I agree for it. Are you all convinced? Instead of strongly agree, I would just go with agree. Correct? Super. I'm just, see, in one question, I'm just trying to rotate all the situations possible. Okay. So let's go to the next one. I generally do not misplace things. Rohit, you're telling disagree, which means you do misplace things, Rohit. You can unmute. Rohit, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Rohit.
It's agree. I was just confused with the question.
I can't hear you.
Now, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear.
I was just confused with the question. It's agree.
Correct, no?
I'll go
Agree.
with agree.
Anybody who says strongly agree, I generally do not misplace. Strongly agree, sir. I always keep all the things at the right place all the time. No, right? So we try our maximum to keep ourselves more organized. So I would say agree. Do not even say neutral here. You should show yourself that you know you're quite organized at whatever you're doing. Is it clear? So this question is basically testing how organized you are. Okay. At appropriate intervals of conversation, I summarize the main points of the discussion. Yes, Sharadi, can you unmute? Wait. Sharadi, can you unmute and tell? You have an issue here.
Sir, it was generally, sir. So it is not like always we are not misplacing the things. It is generally. So some excuses can come in that sentence.
So in general, I generally do not misplace things. I generally do not misplace things. Yes, I do not misplace things. So I agree with that. What is your answer for it?
Sir, it's generally. It is not like always. So there are excuses included in that sentence.
That is why I'm not saying strongly agree. No, might be because at times I'm getting late or some emergency came, so I couldn't arrange it properly. That is why I'm not taking on strongly agree. That is why I've come down to agree, keeping all that situations and scenario in mind.
Okay, sir.
Are you convinced?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is why not strongly agree. Okay, next one. At appropriate intervals on conversation, I summarize the main points of discussion. Very good. If you say agree, you are perfectly right. Okay, or strongly agree also is fine. See, if you summarize the main points, what happens is, okay, now see, I will tell you a simple example. Okay, when I'm training on a problem and the problem is quite lengthy, what I do, I explain the concept again. Okay, I explain. Have you seen main techniques, whatever is there, I explain 2 times and at the end I do 1 time of summary. Why do I do this is because when something is very long, no, it's better we summarize the main points so that it is clear to them to understand. So this is actually a communication skill question. Okay, so if you summarize a lengthy method, okay, it shows that you're good at communication. So this question is testing your communication skill. Good. I like to have a fast paced life. Agree or neutral. So you can go with agree or neutral here. Okay, here, why are they asking this question? I like to have a fast paced life because your life will be fast paced only when you're busy. Am I right, people? When you're very busy, no, you will not get to know how time is flying. So that is what they're indirectly trying to ask here. I like to live a fast paced life, which means, are you ready to work hard? Something like that. Okay, so I enjoy leading a very fast paced life. Now in this batch I have people from batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, batch 5. Batch 1 I started in March, April, and I still cannot believe now it is August. Why? Because I was so busy with them that my life has, 3-4 months I didn't get to know about it, and I'm enjoying it. So I like a fast paced life. So either you go with agree or you go with neutral, but not strongly agree. All the time your life should not be fast. Okay, you should even enjoy the moments, memories, and your family time. So either agree or neutral. Okay, I try not to be involved in more than one thing at a time. Okay, many people are saying disagree. Okay, I would say agree or neutral. Okay, now see, doing multitasking, this is what my company has taught me. Okay, I just can't be in training, I'm into everything and anything. Okay, and I'm enjoying this multitasking now. Sir, don't you think if we focus on one thing, we will do that thing perfectly rather than doing working on two things, we will not be able to do that perfectly? No, sir, it again depends on you. Now, if I'm doing two things, if I put my 100% focus on both, this I'm doing, I put my 100% on this. When I switch on to other thing, I'll put my 100% attention. Is it clear? So it is possible to execute multitask in a effective way. Am I right, people? But you're giving up. Yeah, that you're giving up as a multitask. See, in your company, you might have to multitask. You might have to take care of your juniors. You might have to do the project. You might have to give KT, that is knowledge transfer. There are many multitasking which can happen in your office. That is what they are trying to check here. I find no interaction from your end. All of you can unmute yourself, okay? And please try to interact. Any point you disagree with me, you can let me know. I want it to be interactive based. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now see, psychometry, I'll tell you one thing, there is a trick which they apply. One question, they will try to twist it and ask the same question to check your consistency. Now, one side I'm telling, okay, sir, I like to be a multitasker. Okay, suppose if they give one more question, they will try to twist a bit and give you another question. There, if you try to show that you're not a multitasker, you will contradict your answers. And when you're contradicting your answers, your chances of failure will be very high. Is it clear? Now, in this question, okay, I try not to be involved in more than one thing. Let me just check if they have asked the same question anywhere else. Look at this one, people. I prefer not to concentrate on more than one task at a time. Don't you think the same question they have tried to twist a bit? Okay, so be very, very, very careful with respect to this. There will be redundant questions and they are checking the consistency of your answers. Sir, why are they putting questions which are redundant, sir? They are checking how honest you are. Okay, one side you're putting that, you are quite an extrovert, and on the other side, you're putting quite an introvert, which means you're contradicting, which means you're not giving honest replies. If your replies are consistent and common, which means you're being honest with yourself. Is it clear? Your answers are right. So now let's go to the next one. While talking with someone, I encourage them to speak. Okay, while I'm talking with someone, I encourage them to speak. Correct. This is a leadership quality. A leader will never talk, he will even listen to others. That is a leadership quality. So I would encourage mine, with whom I'm talking, I would encourage them also to talk, okay, and get to know their viewpoints, understand them better. A leader understands his colleagues, his juniors and seniors better. And how can that be done? Only if he listens to them. Leadership or listening skills, both, Rohit. If you're good at listening skills, you'll be a better leader. If you're not good at listening skills, you'll not be a good leader. Both are interconnected. I try to throw waste only in the trash can. I try to throw. Good. Strongly agree or agree. No neutral, no strongly disagree, no disagree. Is it clear? Now, next one. I like to forward SMS jokes. So either you say agree, strongly agree, or neutral, one of the three. Why, Rohit, you don't like to forward SMS jokes, huh? So when you laugh, it is just that you're forwarding it to others and making them also laugh. So I feel here it is about your social ability. Okay, how are you being social with others? So when I get a good joke, I share it with you people also. It shows that I am sharing my jokes with you. It shows that I know I'm mingling well with you. Am I right, Rohit? Or you would like to say something by unmuting?
Not
Rohit, are you
always.
there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Tell me,
I
why
will
disagree?
still go with disagree.
Why?
But nowadays SMS jokes, I think people rarely read SMS, which are considered to jokes. So if it is something like GIF videos, image or something, I think that would be better.
Okay, but okay, fine. But there are few text forwards also, no, that you get as jokes.
Yes, that's why I didn't go with strongly disagree.
Okay, fine. Again, it's this one. I don't want to change that. In a group project, I prefer to deliver the group presentation. In group projects, I prefer to deliver the group presentation. Rohit, why neutral?
Because it's a group project and each and everyone will be related to the project. So everyone will get a chance to tell.
Did I tell that only you will be the group presentation? Only you will be doing the presentation?
Can you show me the question once more?
In a group project, I prefer to deliver the group presentation.
I think they're testing here on your initiation skills.
And what else?
And I think leadership skills.
If you're ready to present something, it shows that you're even taking responsibility of the group. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
So what should you say?
Agree.
Correct?
Yeah.
You stay neutral, it shows that you have a setback attitude.
Yes, got it.
Good. Chalo, my psychometry helped someone at least in one question. Question is similar to when I am part of a group, I like to take the lead. Very good, Sahil. People, does it match here? Isn't this getting repeated? This question and previously we had discussed when I'm a part of the group, I like to take the lead. And here I like to prefer to deliver the group presentation. So somewhere here, your initiative skills are being tested, your leadership skills are being tested. So if you contradict on both sides, you will not be selected. One part you have told strongly disagree, one part you have told agree, it will not coincide with each other. Is it clear? So it is all about leadership, okay? So if you have that leadership quality in you, you will definitely say agree to both. I prefer not to concentrate on more than one task at a time. I disagree with this because I don't mind working on more than one task at a time. I in fact enjoy doing more than one task at a time. What would your answer be, all of you? I would go with disagree. Rohit says disagree. Okay. Sahil, what about you? Ritankar says disagree. Superb. Okay. Nice people. Good. I found, instead of found, okay, it should be find. I find beauty in simple things in life. Okay, so either you can go with strongly agree or agree. Okay, they are not testing anything much. This is a general question. I really enjoy the rides at amusement parks and fairs. So again, either you agree or you disagree. Why? Because there are a few people who have fear of height. Okay, again, this is a general question, nothing to do with your leadership here. Okay, what they will do, they will ask general question and in between they can ask you a leadership question. Now look at this one. See, all of a sudden they ask this. I like to participate in competitions. Tell me, sir. You are not telling strongly disagree or neutral. It should either be agree or strongly agree, not anything other than that. Even you can't tell neutral here. I imagine about a lot of things in my free time. Mr. Adil, can you unmute yourself? Adil Ahmed, are you there? Okay. Ritankar, are you there?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
I imagine about a lot of things in my free time. You say you agree.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Can you tell me why? What do you imagine?
Yeah, because yes, sir. A lot of like my future plans, my career. So I imagine a lot about that.
So I'll tell you one thing. Okay. See, when I'm free now, what I do is I go for a walk. I spend time with my family. I listen to music. I watch movies, or I read a book. Okay. Now in my free time, if I think a lot, okay, so don't you think somewhere we are an overthinker whenever we get free time? We think a lot, we try to imagine a lot. See, read the type of question they're asking here. I imagine about a lot of things in my free time.
Okay.
Now I'm just asking you, don't you think I imagine about a lot of things? Don't you think that is showing a bit of negative impression? In your free time, you're thinking a lot. Don't you think they're indirectly asking you, are you an overthinker or not? Because you will think only when you're free, right?
Yeah, yeah. I didn't go that deep, but now I understood that a lot of things means okay. It can point at someone
Every
else.
word is important, Ritankar. Every word.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if I am, see, I'll tell you one thing. I, you should not be an overthinker. Okay, you should think, but you should not overthink. So when I'm free, yes, I would think about something, but not about a lot of things. People, do you agree with me? Yes or no? I do not know the state of the class.
So, sir, shall we go for disagree or neutral or
You
strongly
can go
disagree?
with disagree or neutral, but I would say go more with disagree because you don't think
Okay,
about a
sir.
lot of things.
Okay, okay.
Am I right? You thinking a lot, it shows that you're an overthinker. And if you're an overthinker, your efficiency won't be good. Am I right, people? Do you agree with me? If you think a lot, your efficiency will decrease. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Always remember, you the more you think, your efficiency will go down. Think less, decide fast, get into action. So let's go to the next one. In a meeting, I tend to talk the most. In a meeting, I tend to talk the most. What about others? Yes, Rohit, can you unmute yourself? Uma Shankar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Uma Shankar. So you're telling in a meeting I tend to talk the most. You're saying agree to it.
Yeah, sir.
So in a meeting you will talk the most.
It's like I tend to talk the most because I'll be having the tendency to talk the more, and I will give chance to the elderly people because they inside them also there would be some point which I might not know. So I'd give chance for them, and I would be having the tendency to talk.
I tell you one thing, do remember one thing, never talk the most in any meeting unless and until you are the one who's presenting something. Are you getting it? Why, if you ask me, sir, why shouldn't I talk the most is because a good leader will talk less and listen more. If I'm the leader of the group, or instead of me talking the most, there is no use of talking the most. Now many people in group discussions, they are trained, okay, if you talk the most you will be selected for sure. That is bullshit. You talk the most, which means you're hogging the conversation. Talk precise, talk how much is needed, talk to the point, and talk not more. Try to talk not less also, but in between, not more not less. Try to talk as less as possible, listen more to people. Is it clear, Uma Shankar? You
Yeah,
are
sir.
not talking more in a meeting, never. If unless and until you're training. Now I am training here, so that is why I'm talking more. But if I'm a student, okay, I would not talk more in the class. I would try to listen more, and then I would try to talk. Even in group discussion, the one who listens to others first and then talks, he will have an upper hand. The one who initiates a group discussion will not have an upper hand. The only advantage is he will have initiative skill, but he has no time to think about his point. But what I will do is I will sit back, listen to his point, and then I would start framing my sentences. And after 2-3 minutes, after listening to everybody, then I would shoot my point. Uma Shankar, now you tell me, after listening to everybody, when I shoot my point, will my point be more effective than the one who initiates or not?
It'll be more effective, sir.
Correct. So first, try to listen to everybody. Get to know what opinion they have, and then you shoot your point. Is it clear?
Yeah,
So
sir.
in a meeting, first I will listen to everybody, then I will talk, which means I'm not going to talk the most. I will talk how much is needed. Do you people agree with me? Yes or no? All the 44 legends who are attending my training on psychometry, unfortunately. Okay. See, any point of time, okay, you feel you have a doubt or a difference in opinion, it is fine. This is not aptitude, okay, where you know this method is only right, this method is not right. This is not aptitude. You might have a difference in opinion. Feel free to share it. Okay. Now, what the main intention here is to get to know what type of questions they're asking, what is the intention behind that, and what we should try to avoid. So let's go to the next one. I find it hard to forgive people. I find it hard to forgive. Sagar, why aren't you answering, man? Sagar, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
What, man? You're acting like a VIP. You're like only listening. You're trying to be the leader of the class, huh? Only
No,
listening
sir,
and not
nothing like
talking.
that. No, no.
Then why aren't you telling? What are you trying to do?
Nothing, sir. I was just messaging my answers some in the beginning. That's all. Not much.
Okay, fine. So for this, what do you say? I find it hard to forgive people.
Neutral.
Neutral. Okay. So answer here can be neutral. Disagree would be a bit less factual, I feel. Okay. Now, when someone has done something, it is a bit difficult to forgive them. So I would go with neutral. But if you have a very large heart, then you go with disagree. Okay. My heart is not as big as yours. Coming to the next one. I sometimes feel very stressed. Sometimes I'm very stressed. Correct, Rohit. Reason matters. That is why I'll go with neutral, because I do not know the exact reason. I sometimes feel very stressed. Answer should be disagree. Why? Because no matter how stressed you are, you should never show it off. To be very honest, I have a lot of work. Okay. I can't come and show you my stressed face or my stressed voice or my stressed eyes. I still try to talk to you in a very nice way. Even if it is stressed, you're not showing it to the world. If you tell that you're getting stressed, which means you're not able to manage it properly. If you're not getting stressed, it shows that you know how to manage things properly. Sir, I'm getting a lot of work, sir. 2 works I'm getting full stress, sir. Try to, if you're not able to manage, that is when you'll get a lot of stress. Why do you want to take stress? Try to do it properly, try to manage and try to execute it properly. I won't take any stress. Okay. Though I am into a lot of things, still I'll not take any stress. I will give the work to my subordinates. I'll give the work to my trainers. For example, mock interviews which you take, I gave the entire responsibility to trainers. I'm like, I'm not coming in between that. I'm already into a lot of stuff. Content development, I'm already into, given it to someone. Marketing, it is someone. So I have given works to people. This is how I'm managing. If I'm not good at managing all this, I will be stressed. And plus I have to train also, managing and training. So if I'm not good at organizing all this, I would definitely be stressed, but I'm not stressed. Why? Because I'm organizing it properly. Now again, I ask you, what would your answer be for this? I sometimes get stressed. Agree, strongly agree, disagree, strongly disagree, neutral. What would be the answer? Sahil says disagree. Good. Now it is disagree. Is it clear? Stress you're not taking. You are doing it. And if you're not planning it properly, also stress happens. Is it clear? Now suppose internals I have, exams I have after 1 week. And I sit and study 2 days before, that time I'll have more stress. Okay, but if I planned it properly, no, I will not have stress on myself. Is it clear? So here you are saying disagree, not even neutral. Is it clear? If you're not taking stress, which shows that you are good at managing. Let's go to the next one. Can you give some examples where I cannot choose anything other than strongly agree? Rohit, can you unmute yourself and ask?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
All this, all the questions, like all the questions we have solved, my answer was either agree, neutral, or disagree. I didn't find anything where I can go with strongly agree or strongly disagree.
Would you like to help your friends?
Okay.
Helping friends means I will not think twice, strongly
Yeah,
agree.
strongly agree.
Some situations where you don't have to think twice. That is when you tell strongly agree or strongly disagree.
Okay.
Your parents are not feeling well. Would you take a holiday from your office?
Yeah,
Strongly
agree.
Is it clear?
Yes.
When you don't have to think twice for anything, that is when you tell strongly agree.
Okay. What if it is something like, imagine I am the trainer and I'm not fine with like 2-3 people of my trainees.
You are the trainer and you're not fine with?
2-3 of my trainees.
Okay. Like they are not, they are naughty in the class, troublesome.
Not exactly, might be their performance, might be their punctuality or something like that. When all the characters are put together.
Okay,
so what will be your opinion on strongly disagree, agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree?
What is the question?
You're the trainer, you have many trainees, you're not comfortable with 2 or 3 trainees in that. So what will be your situation on that? I mean, like, what will you do to them?
What would I do? I would contact them. I would ask them what is the issue. Or I would tell them do not be late to the class next time. I would give them real-time examples why not to be late, because it can impact their attitude in later part of their life also, and even in the interview. I would make them understand the importance of being punctual.
Okay. What if they continue even after this?
I'll ignore them.
Yeah, so strongly disagree.
For me, peace is important, man. Why should I break? Once I can tell, okay, not more than once. As simple as that. Am I right, Rohit?
Yeah.
That's all. It is okay to be selfish at times. It's okay to be selfish at times. You're not telling agree, you're not telling disagree. You will just tell neutral here, nothing else. It's okay to be selfish sometimes. Neutral is the answer. Okay. Yes, depends on the situation. That is why I tell neutral. Now, when it is my favorite food, okay, that time I will be selfish. I'll not share it with anybody. Okay, so neutral. I would not say agree. At times you have to be selfish. I would still say neutral. I'm not a selfish person. Even if I have my favorite food, someone asks no, I will give it. Is it clear? That is what neutral tells. Good. Okay. Breakfast is more important than lunch and dinner. If you ask me, everything is important. I don't differentiate only. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all are heaven for me. All are God for me. Okay, so if you ask me, I would go with disagree because I'm a foodie. Okay, every 2 hours I give importance to food. But you can say your opinion. This is a general question. Breakfast is more important than lunch and dinner. I would go with disagree. Why should I prioritize breakfast more? For me, even lunch is important, even dinner is important. I respect my food. Dogs are better companions than cats. Again, a general question. Agree, no? Basic common question. Strongly agree or agree, anything you can say. Here you can use strongly agree, Rohit. I haven't seen a cat who is a better companion than a dog. In fact, cats are very selfish animals. They drink milk over. They will completely ignore you and go. They will show their butts and go, in fact. Okay. Four-wheeler is better than two-wheeler. This is again a general question. You can put on your opinion. Okay. Four-wheeler is better than two-wheeler. I would say disagree or neutral. Disagree, why? Because chumma pollution. Neutral, why? Because sometimes if we are going in a family, instead of taking two-wheelers, I would go in one four-wheeler. Homework is harmful for students. Now, don't think from a student's point of view and tell strongly agree. Okay, think on a general point of view. Homework is harmful for students. Definitely it is not. So I would disagree to this. I would put it as E. Homeworks, in fact, are very good. Committing suicide should not be illegal. Committing suicide should not be illegal, which means you need to legalize suicide. Strongly disagree. Even if it is your life, we can't make it legal. Film piracy is not a crime. Now see, here I'm checking your emotions. I'm checking your heart here, okay? All this is checking your heart. Film piracy is not a crime. It is a crime, sir. If you encourage this, what will happen? A lot of producers, directors and all will lose money. Even if it is not your film, you should not promote it because someone else will lose the money. So I would say is not a crime, sir. I would strongly disagree for this. It is a crime, sir. So answer is D. See, again, I'm not thinking twice to answer, so I go with strongly disagree. Beating students should be allowed in schools. Beating students should be allowed in schools. I go with neutral, okay? Like how Rohit told, in schools means they do not have that maturity. Okay, in schools, students do not have that maturity. If I say don't do this again, they'll definitely do it again. In fact, when I tell not to do, they'll do it again intentionally. Okay, so to keep that fear in them, sometimes it is needed to hit them, but the way you hit also matters a lot. Okay, so I would go with neutral over here. You can go with disagree, or you can go with disagree or neutral, but I would go with neutral because it is very important to hit people when they are young. This is what I feel, okay? Because that fear will be there if they are naughty and they do not listen to you. If they're listening to you, then you don't have to do anything. It all depends on the maturity of a child. Shreya says, no, it's wrong. Pooja says, strongly disagree. Okay, when you have kids, no, we will check. We will come to your house and check. We will check with your daughters and sons, okay? We will ask Pooja and Shreya's daughters, sons, are your mothers hitting you? We will ask them. We'll get to know. Should be legal driving age around the world. There should be a legal driving age around the world. I feel it is needed. Agree with this. Next one. Violence is sometimes necessary. Violence is sometimes necessary. Violence is not needed, sir. Option D. Violence is not needed. Strongly disagree. Abortion should be made illegal. I have not much idea on this, okay? So I feel that it is the couple's decision. It is their kid. They want to have it. They don't want to have it. It is left to them. So why would we make it illegal? Is my thing. Okay, I have no much idea on this. What do you people feel? Strongly agree, yeah? E, disagree. Should be made illegal, which means you mean to say disagree. If it is made legal, it is fine. This is what you're trying to tell. Ritankar is also saying E. So all of you are saying E. Okay, but see, when you're not having an idea, no, I would say play safe. Okay, so I would go with neutral, something like no comment, sir. Staying away from it. Okay, so I would go with neutral because I do not have much idea about it. I can't skip the question also. Okay, now see, at times when like questions like this, okay, there are a mixed opinion. Few are like it is illegal. How can you kill a baby? Some are like it is their kid. They can do anything they want before it is born. Okay, so whenever such a dilemma is there, just stick as neutral and leave. Joint family is better than nuclear family. I would go with agree. Why? Because now see, I know again nuclear families are better. Joint family it is a bit difficult to stay. But what I'm trying to show here is joint family. What I am trying to show, my perspective is in joint family, everybody is understanding. That is why I prefer joint family. The reason why I'm preferring joint family is because all are understanding each other. We have a common understanding and trust amongst ourselves. That is why we are in a joint family. So either you go with agree or you go with neutral, but do not go with strongly disagree or strongly agree. Is it clear, all of you? Juvenile criminals should be treated as adults. Neutral. I go with agree. When you make crimes which are equivalent of adults, you should also be punished the same thing. Okay, so I would go with agree. This is my opinion. You might go with neutral. Okay, if you just want to escape from this, you can go with neutral, but I would go with agree. Sometimes kids do not know about the crime. See, crime means something big. Now kid kills someone. Okay, so that does not mean he does not know that killing someone is, he does not know about killing someone. Crime means something big. I'm not talking about flicking 5 rupees from his mother's pocket. Something very big. That is called a crime. And every kid will know that he's committing a crime. And we are not talking about 8 years old or 10 years old. Okay, kids means mainly teenagers. Politics is the main reason behind the backwardness of India. Adil, strongly agree. You are trying to put your emotion here. Adil, Pallavi, Ritankar. Keep it within yourself, okay? What is the answer you give here? Don't try to be emotional. Politics is the main reason behind the backwardness of India. Why do you feel so? There are many people who are doing good job. There are many who are not doing good job. So because few are not doing a good job, how can you generalize on all the politicians? I would go with neutral here. Neutral is the best answer. Backwardness of India, there is so many things. Population, first main reason behind the backwardness of India. Simply they keep popping out so many children. Okay, population is there and there is growing unemployment. There are so many things.
Hello, sir.
Everything cannot be done by the government themselves. Yes.
I will disagree with this. Like China also has a bigger population, so we cannot say we choose a politician with our votes. So we cannot say that we have given them responsibility. It's politics is the main, not saying politician. So it's not generalizing the politician; it's generalizing the politics, which
politics. Okay, correct. Politics is the main reason behind the backwardness of India.
Policies they apply.
Okay, but what I feel here, politics, if you say strongly agree, somewhere I feel you're being, a bit more, what do you say, trying to exhibit your emotions a lot here. So you might either go with agree or neutral. Am I right, gentlemen?
Yes, I would say agree, sir. Not strongly.
Yeah, not strongly, but agree or neutral. But I would go with neutral, okay? Because there are many policies, many policies which have really helped. There are a few which hasn't helped. Politics is the main reason behind the backwardness of India. Politics is everywhere and anywhere. Wherever there are three people, there will be politics between them. Okay. Cricket should be made the national game of India. If you're a badminton lover, you'll tell strongly disagree. If you're a cricket lover, you would say agree or strongly agree. To be very honest, I don't care, okay, which game is the national game of India. I would go with neutral. You make any game the national game of India. I'll go with neutral. But when people are liking cricket more, so if you make it the national game, it's fine. So either you go with agree or neutral or disagree. Any one of the three. Politicians should have a retirement age. Politicians should have a retirement age. Yes, sir, I agree. I agree on this. Why? Because after 70 years, your brain, see, if you want to make decisions, know that there is a certain age for that. 75, 80, you can't make a good decision. 80, 85. Am I right? So the very old people also cannot be politicians. Very young people also cannot be politicians. Is it clear? To be a good politician, you should have a good experience in it. So I would say retirement age, yes, I would agree to it. Or you can say I am neutral with it. But I would strongly go with option B, that is agree. Okay, now few more before we end. Indian culture is crumbling because of Western culture. No controversies, I would just say neutral. Okay, here we are not trying to prove we are right or wrong. We are just trying to prove our viewpoint. Okay, I'm just putting neutral here. I don't want to start a debate here. So I would prefer being neutral. Okay, all these sensitive topics, no, I would prefer being neutral. US healthcare is better than India. If you have proper knowledge, A to Z knowledge about it, then only you will write as agree or disagree. If you have A to Z knowledge about it. If you do not have knowledge about it, you can just say neutral. Why? Because US and India both are controlling the virus at the same level. Okay. Use of animals for medical research should be allowed. Use of animals for medical research should be allowed. Rohit, animal lover. Rohit, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So why are you saying disagree?
Because even they are living beings, even they are born just like us. So you just can't
Correct,
test
correct.
everything
I
on them.
understand. I am a fellow vegetarian. I understand. Even an egg I don't eat. Why? Because that is someone's baby. I understand with that. But tell me one thing, okay? I'm with you on a emotional, personal level. I'm with you. But coming to this question, you tell me if they don't try it on animals, on whom should they try it on? How will they get to know the results on living cells? Preferably they try on mice. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, now any new vaccine is there. If they don't apply on an animal first, how will they get to know that it can be applied on human beings? What should they do? You're telling disagree. Then what is disagree means? You should have a better answer for it, right? Or you should have an explanation for it, for an alternative.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, yes.
There are centers to try it out on humans. Shreya, can you unmute? Shreya, are you there? No microphone. Okay. There are centers to try it out on humans. You cannot see, that is what it becomes risky. We humans, we treat ourselves more than other animals. So yes, I would go with agree on this. The rats. Okay, I would go take, I would feel bad, but I want it to be tested on animals. Then only I want it to be tested on human beings later. Okay, so I would go with agree. If it's your personal choice, okay, you can say anything. Online study is better than traditional classroom studies. Tell me, sir. If you're feeling bad, then why agree? Because Rohit, it's better a rat dies than a human being dies because of the medicine or the vaccine. This is what I feel. I prefer a rat dying over a human being. E, neutral, and many people are saying disagree. Online study is better than traditional. Okay, so you can go with disagree or agree or neutral. Anything is fine. Till certain age, traditional classroom is important, sir. So I would go with neutral. Good. Okay, now we will stop till here. It is already 9. Okay, now tell me, how did you find this psychometric class of mine? Was it really helpful? Don't tell it was fun, okay? Tell me, was it helpful or what? So these are the type of questions which you can expect in psychometry. I want all the 40 people to answer. See, and you have to get to know is what their intention behind the question is, correct? Okay, first you should get to know what is the intention of asking the question. You should see through it that you don't contradict the answers, and you should not get emotional with the question. Try to be more practical. Yes, you should have an heart, but more importantly, you should have to be practical over that. Is it clear? Okay, so what we will do is we will again meet, okay, day after tomorrow, we will meet again for the next round of psychometry. Plus, we will be discussing game based. Game based, I have already prepared 100 questions, okay. So we have prepared a lot of questions. I will be sharing it with you. First, I'll give a demo of it, and then I'll give you more and more of exercise problems so that you get to know what are the type of games they are asking and you're well versed with it before you take up the game. Okay. So I hope technical sessions, verbal sessions are going fine. Any issues at any point of time, please let me know. If you're asking, sir, can you send me the recording? It is already done. Right now, both the technical classes recording is done. I'll be sharing it within 10 minutes to you. Okay. So fine, people, it was nice interacting with you. 9 o'clock, this is the first time I'm taking this late. Take care. Keep studying well, okay? I want all of you to get placed in Capgemini. All of you. All the 48, 50, all the ones who have enrolled, get placed so that, you know, I get good number of sweets from your end. Take care. Have a good day. Good night, people.